Welcome back to Crypto Hustle 101. In this video, I'm going to go over how the US dollar affects the crypto market and how understanding that relationship can help you make more profitable investments and trades. So the first thing we need to understand is that the dollar and BTC are inversely correlated, meaning that if the dollar pushes up, BTC goes down, and if the dollar trends down, BTC goes up. Let's take a look at BTC in the DXY charts. Here I have the US dollar currency index on a 1-hour time frame chart. After forming bullish market structure, right here we see the W, then breaking through over here, and then going up past this EMA line and staying above the EMA ribbons, the dollar started pushing up. And like I said, that was on August 15th at about midnight. Switching to BTC, we can see that Bitcoin started to dump at about the same time, 15 August at midnight. So as you can see, while the dollar pushes up, Bitcoin comes down, and the correlation is almost instant. On a side note, make sure that when you're comparing assets, that you make sure they're on the same time zone. That's checked right down here. Just click on it. Right now I have mine both set to UTC4 because I'm on the East Coast. For the sake of time, let's go ahead and unhide the next two price pivots. Now that we've seen the influence that the dollar has on the Bitcoin price, let's add some technical analysis as we compare the two. Let's head back over to the US dollar chart. Okay, now if we go ahead and show our indicators, we can go ahead and see that we have bearish divergence forming just prior to the price dropping back down. Let's go ahead and show that. All right, see price is going higher while the MACD is dropping down lower, and price goes down right here. And we can go ahead and show that there's actually bullish divergence right before the price reverses back to the upside. Right here, price is having lower lows or making higher lows in MACD. And if we head back over to BTC, we can see the exact same thing is happening, just in reverse. Go ahead and show the indicators. We can see that price is a lot weaker than this price action would have us believe. We see price going up here, and down in the MACD, we have a decreasing MACD, as you can see right here. And all this happens right before price begins to drop down. But given what we just learned, these things happen at the exact same time. We're on the 13th at 0700, back to DXY. 13th September, 0700. Let's head back over to BTC. Now, just that by itself isn't a reason for you to think about going into longs or shorts. That's why you have to add other things into your decision-making process. If we took our fibs and drew from this bottom down here up to this high over here, I'll go ahead and show it to you. And then we went ahead and revealed our short zone. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We can see that between this 0.786 and this 0.618, we have the zone we were supposed to take a short from, and price came right into here as we were making bearish divergence right before dropping. And also, if we go ahead and draw our chaos extensions, we can find another reason to look for a short in this level as well. Let's go ahead and move this up. We're going to go from this top right here down to this bottom. Let me go ahead and zoom that in so you can see. Hide this. All right. Right here at this chaos level of 4.669, price pretty much hit that on the nose before coming down. Now that's several strong reasons why it would be a good idea, and I would have a lot of confidence in putting a shorthand at that level. So now we see how we can use the US dollar as a macro indicator for Bitcoin. And if you tried investing or trading crypto, you know that BTC has a direct effect on all the other altcoins in the market. If we take a look at Ethereum, we can go ahead and see the domino effect. Okay, so I've already placed the same time markers here and here. Let's go ahead and show our indicators. And as you can see, we have price going up. Price is actually misleading you, making you think this asset's stronger. But if you look down the MACD, we have bearish divergence forming, and all that happens, and it makes the price break down. Now here, we're having it bounce off of this support line right here, and it starts making its way up. But once Bitcoin starts going down, Ethereum has no choice but to go down with it, and you see price come down over here. Let's go ahead and zoom this back in so we can see. We can put in our short zone again over here, and we can see what that would do. All right, if we analyze what happened here, we have price heading up higher, but as you saw in the indicators, we have bearish divergence. Now that forced the price to start coming back down. It came back down here, bounced off of this level, and started working its way back up. And I believe it was going to go up into this short zone here before making a drop. But due to Bitcoin dropping, the dollar rising, that makes Ethereum have to follow suit, and it starts to come down prematurely all the way down to here before making it up to this zone right here. And as you can see, we came all the way down to here before finding support right here. All right, let's go ahead and draw our chaos levels and see what would have happened if we'd have followed that as an indicator. Okay, retracement. All right, if we zoom in, now even though we didn't make it all the way up to here, we still had this 8.77 that told us the price is probably going to start coming down after this level right here. So we saw it happen here where price action got to a chaos level and then from there turned around. If we went back to the BTC chart, the same thing happened here. We stopped exactly at the chaos level right there. If we go to the DXY, let's go ahead and hide the indicators. All right, go ahead and turn it on. We can see the price stopped right at the 8.77 again. And if you notice here, price didn't just go straight up into the chaos level. It came up to here, reversed back down before making its way back up, and then reversing down at the chaos level. Same thing might happen over here. If you look over here, price came up here, came down. Now who's to say that the dollar may not come back up into this chaos level right here and do the same thing that we saw happen over here. But that's in the future and only time will tell. I have a video that goes into detail on how the extensions work, and I'll put the link to that video over here in the corner. Now I've practiced this technique for the past 2 years on these charts, and the way I would sum it up, the difference between a Feigenbaum chaos extension and a Fibonacci retracement or a Fibonacci extension, I would just put it like this. Fibonacci retracement's going to put you in a zone. So between here and here, anywhere in here as price comes up, it may reverse somewhere here. Whereas the Feigenbaum chaos extension is going to give you the exact level, potentially, or very close to it. It's sort of like saying, yo, I got a friend, he lives on this block somewhere, one of these houses on this block. As opposed to saying, yo, my friend lives at this house address on this block. And stuff like this is the reason why I lean more to technical analysis as opposed to fundamental analysis, especially when it comes to crypto. And it's why I make videos like this one. When I was trying to figure out how to stop losing money in this space, almost every crypto channel just read the latest news and headlines in crypto, or they would give me the next 5 coins and make me a millionaire. And none of that stuff helped me. None of it helped me actually stop losing money. So instead of telling you what to buy, I'd rather show you how you can accurately forecast where ETH is eventually going to bottom in the next 10 days. So as you can see, Ethereum came down. It started finding support at this level right here, at the 16.88. It keeps coming down, support. Coming down, going up, going down, coming down, support. It's never breaking through this line. And right now we're finding support right here. And if we take a quick look back at Bitcoin, actually, let's go ahead and take a look at the dollar, see what the dollar's doing. Dollar pushing down. Bitcoin pushing up, pushing turn. Makes Ethereum push up. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys got something from it. See you next time.